Hola, hola, hola! How you doing, guys? This is Carlos Gutierrez. Today, we are going to walk and tour a two-story house, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 100 square meter, 5 minutes away from Granada City in Nicaragua. Betty, thank you, Betty. We're gonna go and look around this beautiful property that is ready to go, especially if you've been looking and searching for that ideal property that you can retire. And the tropical weather of Nicaragua is definitely one of the biggest deals because people are gonna relax and enjoy the time. So thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here you are, my telephone number and my email. And you say, Carlos, let me contact you. I wanna learn more about those properties that you have in Nicaragua and maybe in another place. So thank you for watching. Let's go and check it out. Okay, guys, let's see. This is a house called Santa Fe style. They did something very functional and practical in a beautiful 2-story home with a kitchen, dining area, sala, a terrace, and a beautiful swimming pool at the very back where you're gonna catch all the light and the sun, so keep that water always warm. Here, in case you're not used to the weather, they have an AC in the sala and also which is the kitchen. From here, you can tell the owner loves to spend the time working, relaxing, doing it, get a cup of coffee, and when he wants just to go outside, boom, and take a rest close to the swimming pool. It's a 2-story home with parking space, 2 bathrooms, and a very spacious, roomy living space where you have your TV. He loves the camera for security. High ceiling, always the high ceiling is very important. And the white color, always gonna remark this other items like the color of the wood, the stairs, and the stairs go straight to the 2nd floor where you can decide either the one at the 1st floor or 2nd floor can be your main suite. The 2 bathrooms also allows you to have and host your friends. If you need an extra bathroom, you can have it. And at the 1st floor, we have one of the rooms here. Let's see. Beautiful doors. Your closet, air conditioning. Look at this. They set up everything here so you don't need to worry about where everything is. You have the remote for the AC, ceiling, and the cable line or connection to the TV. You can easily fit a queen mattress, either a king, no problem. Good lights coming from the window with that screen keeping the box away. He's gonna love this room. Or if you wanna have a double bed room, you can do those bank beds. Please let me know in English exactly those double-story bed and tell me what's in English, because sometimes I forget, I'm sorry. Anyway, AC, I like the lights point. They have 7 lights points on the ceiling, beautifully done, and it looks very modern. And then the bathroom here, again, you open it and you have everything, toilet, sink, and the counter is made of granite. Good touch into those details. So actually, everything here, it was handmade. The doors, closet, everything. So we have good carpenters in Nicaragua, so you're always gonna have beautiful job like this one. Again, it's a nice room. It's about 3 meters by 4 meters. A good standard room. On the side of the bed, you have the outlets where you can have your lamps if you want. A beautiful piece of art right here. So because the color is white, leave the space for you to decorate it in the way you like it and give some of your own personal touch. I like the kitchen already. Look at the kitchen. Everything's furniture's good, a lot of space. People love the kitchens because kitchens and bathrooms are the most important, probably the most important item or features in the house. That's gonna make a big difference when you feel comfortable, you know, living in this place all the time. So the kitchen has to be something special, and I can tell they did a good job. I love when they have enough space for a big size stove, because you know what, people love to cook. You want to have a big oven, 6 burn, and right here you can put the system to keep all the, you know, all the, how you say, when you're cooking, all the smoke away. Again, you have a lot of space for everything you need, doors everywhere, and the countertop with this beautiful granite. I love the high, your doors, sit. And you can eat from here. Sometimes we don't want to eat it right on the sofa. Why not do it from the kitchen? And I have view from the TV. That's a pretty big TV. It's a beautiful concept because you know what? It's ready to go. Actually, the house is gonna be sold fully furnished. Everything you have in this house, just basically you need just to bring your clothes, your luggage, done. I'm gonna give you all the details at the description below of this video, how you can contact me and say, Carlos, that is maybe what I'm looking for. Can you share more details? So I'm gonna be very happy to give you step by step how you can buy a house in Nicaragua. And because it's in a gated community like Santa Fe, you have to obviously follow some basic rules, which is not big deal. They clean the road all the time, keep privacy, security 24/7. A taxi from the main city only costs you like $1.50 only. Property taxes for property like this one in Nicaragua are very affordable, low. You would not believe it. You're probably gonna spend more money in a restaurant back there at home than a property taxes per year here. Yes, it's unbelievable. Again, I like everything you put here, your slide doors, PVC, and I can catch a nice view from my garden and that swimming pool that is actually telling me come to enjoy the time. Everything you need is right here. Luke and his wife are in the living area. They're very shy. I don't know why they're very shy. So you know Luke now, he came to Nicaragua and he said, Carlos, I want to put this house on the market. And you know what? He did a great job outside here. He set up a swimming pool, hammock, barbecue, and here is where you have your terrace on the roof with ceiling and lights everywhere. Actually, you can feel comfortable and breezy. You can tell a beautiful table. 6 people can sit here and you can host your friends if you have a party because it's open, secure with the wall, and that swimming pool is just telling you, come on, let's have a great time. So actually guys, if you've been searching a home, a place with, you know, a place you can retire, you can rent, this house is actually ideal. Not far away from Granada, it's only 5 minutes. So in the meanwhile, I want to show you the rest of this area, which I like it. Here, he set up the laundry, another sink with stainless steel. Right here, look, water, good pressure. Everything is clean and organized. He set up some stones, cobblestones to cover all the backyard so you don't need to deal with the dirt, but you have enough space for your garden with those beautiful palms. And you know what? He has a sour orange. It looks like a lemon tree. Wow, that's actually really cool. Then you have this, another section on the roof with this metal frame, hammock, some bikes. The rest of that property is a beautiful space because you can enjoy it. And upstairs, he put these stairs where you have another overlook point just to have the nice overlook all the area. So you can tell the house, it presents perfect, functional, practical, and very easy to do, especially if you want to save some money on to maintain it. This is ideal. Thank you guys for watching this video today. I really enjoy to discover new listing, new properties like this one, especially for those people who's been looking and searching that house. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, swimming pool, parking space, and a private location just 5 minutes away from the colonial city of Granada here in Nicaragua. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have this property very soon in all the social media. Next time, I want to see you in the next adventure. One of my friends saying hello, so don't forget to subscribe.